It is the time of the year when Indian parents start visiting the US to meet their kids. And while it's exciting to finally show your parents around in the US, it's also important to consider potential medical emergencies. Therefore, in today's video, I will discuss number 1, why travel insurance is important for our parents. Number 2, we'll decode some insurance jargons. Number 3, share factors to consider before selecting your insurance. Number 4, bust some travel insurance myths. Number 5, discuss some popular travel insurance options. Hi everyone, this is Priya from It's Okay Yaar and welcome back to our channel. And if you are new today, It's Okay Yaar is a content platform for South Asian immigrants and we aim to educate, entertain and empower them. Now let's talk about why travel insurance is important for our visiting parents. I am sure everyone's mom or grandmom must have said this at some point in life. Musibat kabhi bata ke nahi aati. This means that problems won't inform you before they come knocking at your door. The US healthcare system is notoriously expensive and a simple trip to the emergency room can leave you with huge bills. This is where travel insurance for your visiting parents becomes a lifesaver. It acts as a financial safety net covering a wide range of medical expenses incurred during our parents' visit. This can include hospitalization costs, doctor visits, ambulance services, and a lot more. But all that depends upon what kind of insurance you've bought. Before we start discussing the factors you need to keep in mind and bust some myths, it's important for us to understand the complex terminologies used in insurance plans. Decoding insurance jargon. Navigating insurance terminology can be confusing. Here's a quick and easy glossary to help you understand the key terms associated with your travel insurance for your parents. Number 1, policy maximum. This refers to the maximum amount of insurance the company will pay for covered medical expenses during the entire duration of the policy. A higher policy maximum provides greater financial protection for unforeseen circumstances. Number 2, deductible. This is the amount you, the policyholder, is responsible for paying out of pocket before the insurance company starts reimbursing expenses. Choosing a higher deductible reduces the premium costs, but be sure to select a deductible amount that you are comfortable paying in case of a medical situation. Number 3, co-payment. Now this is a fixed amount you might have to pay for certain covered services such as doctor visits. Some plans have co-pays while others don't. Understanding co-pay structures can help you compare plans and choose the most effective cost option. Number 4, acute onset of pre-existing condition. This refers to a sudden worsening of a pre-existing medical condition that requires immediate medical attention. Travel insurance plans that cover acute onsets can provide financial support for unexpected flare-ups, but they don't cover pre-planned treatments for existing conditions. Number 5, your network provider. Many travel insurance plans offer coverage through a network of hospitals and clinics that they have contracted rates with the insurance company. Using network providers for medical care can result in significant cost savings compared to out-of-network services. Now let's understand the factors to keep in mind while selecting the right insurance. With a plethora of travel insurance options available, choosing the right one can feel extremely overwhelming. Here are certain factors that you need to keep in mind while selecting that insurance. Number 1, the trip duration. Typically, summer visits fall under the category of short-term travel. So focus on plans offering coverage durations between 1 to 3 months. If your parents plan a longer stay, some plans offer extended coverage options as well, but be prepared for higher premiums. Number 2, medical coverage. This is the heart of the travel insurance plan. Select a policy with the maximum limit, ideally $1 million or more, to provide adequate coverage for potential hospitalizations or surgeries. Remember, US healthcare costs can be exorbitant and a higher maximum limit ensures peace of mind in case of unforeseen circumstances. Number 3, pre-existing conditions. Be upfront and informed if your parents have pre-existing health issues. Transparency is key here. Look for plans that cover acute onsets of these conditions. This means the insurance will cover sudden flare-ups requiring immediate medical attention, not pre-planned treatments for existing conditions. So for example, if your dad has a history of a heart disease and experiences chest pain during his visit, the insurance might cover his emergency room visit and related tests. However, it wouldn't cover a pre-scheduled consultation with a cardiologist. Being upfront about pre-existing conditions ensures that you get the right coverage and avoids claim denials later. Number 4, deductibles. A deductible is the amount that you pay out of pocket before before the insurance company starts reimbursing expenses. Plans with higher deductibles generally have lower premiums. However, striking the right balance is crucial. Consider your risk tolerance and potential expenses. If your parents are generally healthy, a higher deductible with a lower premium might be suitable. However, if they have pre-existing conditions or are of advanced age, opting for a lower deductible might be a wiser choice for peace of mind, even though it will come at a higher premium. Number 5, beyond medical coverage. While medical coverage is core, some plans offer valuable add-on benefits for a more comprehensive safety net. Now, what does that include? Trip cancellation and interruptions can be helpful for unforeseen circumstances. If your parents are forced to cancel their trip or cut the trip short. Baggage loss delay coverage offers financial compensation for lost or delayed luggage, a common travel hiccup. Some plans even include emergency medical evacuation benefits, which can be crucial in case of serious medical emergency that requires transport to a specialized hospital. So while these add-on benefits provide additional security, be mindful that they will increase your overall premium cost. Number 6, coverage and type of plan. Before going ahead with a US travel insurance plan, read the fine print. It's important to know whether it's a fixed coverage plan or a comprehensive travel insurance coverage plan and which will serve your needs better. A comprehensive plan provides better coverage and flexible options. Number 7, provider network. Most travel insurance plans for the US have a list of medical service providers online. Provider networks or PPO networks lists doctors, hospitals, healthcare providers associated with US travel insurance companies. Search and try to find out if there are any hospital or services listed close to your home. More popular plans will often have a better coverage network of providers. Visit comparison websites such as Visitors Coverage. The benefit of going through a comparison website is that you can do your research, compare a variety of travel insurance plans that fit within your budget and needs, get impartial advice, and then buy your travel insurance all on the same site. Now let's debunk some travel insurance myths. There are several misconceptions around travel insurance which can deter immigrants from getting the necessary coverage for their visiting parents. Now let's dispel some of these common myths. Myth 1. My US health insurance will cover my parents. This is a common misconception. Most employer-sponsored health insurance plans in the US exclude coverage for non-residents, including visiting parents. Even if your plan offers some limited coverage for out-of-network areas, the cost associated with US healthcare can quickly surpass these limits, leaving you with a very healthy bill. Travel insurance specifically caters to the needs of temporary visitors and provides comprehensive coverage for medical expenses incurred during the stay. Myth 2. Travel insurance is expensive. While costs do vary depending upon the chosen plan and factors like your parents' age, health conditions, travel insurance can be surprisingly affordable, especially if you are considering the potential financial burden of uncovered medical bills. Think of it as an investment for your peace of mind. Compare plans from different providers on Visitors Coverage and select the one that offers the necessary coverage within your budget. Myth 3. Travel insurance is only for emergencies. While emergency medical coverage is the core benefit, some travel insurance plans go beyond that. Certain plans might cover routine checkups or prescriptions, offering financial assistance for minor medical concerns that might arise during your parents' visit. Now let's do a comparative overview of some popular travel insurance options. Now that you are armed with the knowledge to make informed decisions, let's explore some popular travel options for your visiting parents. Number 1, Cover America Gold. It offers excellent coverage and includes outstanding features such as acute onset of pre-existing conditions coverage, emergency medical evacuation, urgent care visits, emergency room services, emergency eye exam coverage, emergency dental coverage, prescriptions, medication, loss of passport, international missed flight connections, and border entry protection if the policy holder is denied entry into the United States. Number 2, Choice America. Choice America is a budget option for visitors insurance as it is a low cost and offers basic travel medical coverage. It pays a fixed amount per incident up to the policy maximum and it's considered a limited plan. The good thing about this plan is that it also offers optional pre-existing condition coverage, which is ideal for elderly parents. While it is a low cost option, it offers less coverage and fewer benefits than Cover America Gold. Number 3, Patriot America Plus. Patriot America Plus is also a great travel medical insurance plan for the US as it offers comprehensive coverage and covers 100% of eligible medical conditions within the PPO network. Similar to Cover America Gold, this plan also covers the acute onset of pre-existing conditions. Number 4, Atlas America Travel Insurance. Atlas America is a comprehensive travel medical insurance plan that gives the insured more flexibility in care as it offers 100% of conditions treated both in and out of the PPO network, meaning you can visit any doctor or hospital of your choice. There are a lot more options that you can check on visitorscoverage.com. It's a great website where you will get detailed information about different insurance plans. You can can compare all of them and even buy from their website. For example, this is a page with all the top visitor travel insurance plans. As you can see, it shows more than 15 insurance options. Under each option, you can see major highlights of the plan, and if you compare 3 plans at a time by clicking on the compare checkbox for those plans and clicking on this compare button, it will give you all the information that you need for all these options. You can click on buy and fill out the details and purchase the plan that you like. Another great feature on this website is that you can use these filters for pre-existing conditions or acute onset of pre-existing conditions on coverage, and you will see all of these great options. I will drop the link to this page in the description box. You can try it out for yourself. For disclosure, Visitors Coverage is the sponsor of the video, but we have partnered with them because it is one of the most renowned tech companies in the US to compare and buy insurance from. I know that a lot of you guys are confused about the pre-existing conditions and acute onset of pre-existing conditions, so we'll also be creating a video on that. If you don't want to miss out on that, please hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I hope you found this video super helpful and it gave you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and remember, if things aren't going your way, it's okay, yaar, they eventually will turn around. Until next time, this is Priya signing off. Have a wonderful day.